Our Voyage typeface, it's the Foundry bestseller. It was first designed as a logo for a Louis Vuitton project. And for those who know Louis Vuitton, it's been cancelled, like they cancel so many things. But thank you, Louis Vuitton, for cancelling the project, because not only they give us the opportunity to design our bestseller, but they also came up with the perfect name. And if you are typographers, you know how complicated it is to find a name for the font.
So since 2018, we've been designing all logo lettering for the entities we work on, with no exception.
Voilà. Il y en a un petit... Ah, c'est bon.
But our work process is simple. We will sum it up in one word.
Generosity.
And you know what?
Generosity pays off.
We feel we have a generous approach to design, and we propose many directions to our clients. That makes everybody happy, them and us, because it's very gratifying to please people. Plus, it builds up a stock of typographic design stock, some could potentially be added to the catalog. We're going to show you a good example. Our client Carbonis, which is a super nice restaurant in Le Marais. So here you can see the final logo. Here are all the options represented on the theme of the top-end trattoria.